No, ladies, we just don't want sex. We want something more. Let's find out what that is.
Like a boss.
You see, ladies, a lot of women think that what guys really want is to have sex, is to to have all those sexual fantasies fulfilled. And don't get me wrong, people. Oh, we want that. Oh, Lord have mercy, we want that, okay? I mean, it's like our candy. You see what I'm saying? We want to eat candy. We want to eat junk food from time to time. We want to have a cheat day. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes we tend to equate junk food with the food that really nourishes us and keeps us viable in our lives, right? And a lot of men fall in that trap. And because the reason why they fall in that trap is because they hear other immature men who are famous and who are broken themselves, who were raised famous, and which causes a lot of psychological issues, saying that that's what they value. They value all the hoes, you know. Like it's this rapper said, he says, I'm dripping so much it would be hard for me to pick a thought, you know. It's like he's like he gets so many women that it's hard for him to pick, right? And when you listen to that, and I'm not gonna lie, it makes you want that, right? It makes you want that kind of lifestyle. But people, your dick gets desensitized to pussy after a certain time. There's a certain time that when you sucking my dick, I don't care if it's 3 girls, 4 girls. Hey man, you guys need to leave me alone. I need some space. I need some space, right? And what would happen with those guys is that those guys, they'll get the space, but in reality, what they'll notice is that there was a lot of anxiety behind those desires. You see, ladies, guys, when if you think that sex is what keeps a guy, it's so hard for me to say that's not the case, because I could promise you that if you guys don't have sex with a guy, he won't stay. But it doesn't mean that that's the reason why they stay. It doesn't mean that's the reason why they commit to you. You see what I'm saying? Let me charge this because it's gonna die. You know, it's like the correlation does not equal causation. Yeah, the sex is necessary. It's important. It's because I can promise you, if I'm with a girl and we ain't having sex after a point, I'm not gonna look. You may not be having sex with him, but he still loves you. So that's why he'll cheat on you, but still want to stay with you. You see what I'm saying? Like, you gotta realize that a lot of the times you think that it's the sex that guys want, but what guys really want, and I saw this on the meme, right? It said, we think we want sex. It's not only about the sex. It's intimacy. We want to be touched, to looked at, admired, smiled at, laugh with somebody, feel safe, feel like somebody's really got you. That's what men really crave. The problem is that a lot of guys don't know that that's what they really want. They're too immature, and there's nothing you could do to help them realize that. There is nothing that you could do to help a guy realize that this is what he wants. It'll take an incredible amount of psychedelics, or it'll just take a natural maturation, and you just gotta hope that a guy will fall into that kind of mindset. Because I'm that kind of guy. I'm the kind of guy that values, not anymore, but I'm still in that place where I value the whole the sex part and the orgies and all that sort of stuff over intimacy. And not because I don't want to, but because I tend to have anxiety with those kind of stuff. I tend to need more space than most guys. You see what I'm saying? And there is nothing that any woman can do to change that about me. Actually, they could. You know, they could. The right woman could help me see that. The right woman could help me want it, right? So it really does depend. It depends on where the guy is in life, because you could be the right woman, but the guy is hung strong on his fantasies. You see what I'm saying? But the point is this, man. What men really want is intimacy. Don't let people tell you that that's not what they want. Because then what you'll notice is that you'll start leaning towards more on the sexual side. And don't get me wrong, you guys will fall for you. Don't get me wrong, they will fall for you. But don't lead with that. Don't lead with that. There's nothing wrong with if that's what you want, but don't lead with it as a strategy. You see what I'm saying? Like the real strategy is time, and you guys spending time together, right? The sex is something that you use initially to keep him there, right? But once he likes your sex and he stays there, what's gonna happen is that he might notice that he doesn't like you that much, or you'll notice that he grows closer to you, right? But what I'm trying to get you guys to understand is not a video on this is not a how-to video. This is just to help you understand that guys really want intimacy above most things. Better off. Humans want intimacy above all things. Humans want to feel safe, right? The problem is that guys have an ego, and when they're looking around to see what other guys have, oh, he has that. Oh, he got 2 hoes. Oh, he got 3 hoes. Oh, he has 10 hoes. They'll start not wanting what their body wants, but wanting what they think people will think as high value. They rather please what people. They rather get people's reactions and positive like reactions, like saying, "Oh, he's a pimp," rather than wanting what really makes him happy. And that's why a lot of you ladies, are some guys just doesn't work out, because those guys are they want too much. And that's why ambitious guys, like when a guy's overly ambitious, it might just not be with just money. It might just be in every aspect of life. It might be that he might want you, and once he gets you, he might want more. He might just want another girl in the picture, or he might want you to lick his ass more, or he might want you to do some crazy shit, right? He's not really following what he really wants in his body, but what he sees that people have, and because of they have it and he doesn't have it, he feels a lack, and he wants to feel that lack. But it has nothing to do with the intimacy. You see what I'm saying? You can never change a guy. If you notice that a guy's too hung strung on that, you gotta leave him. Because if he likes you, he'll change for you. Some will. I will let him change once. And after one time and he still doesn't do it, move on. Always give a guy at least one chance. Not with cheating though. It depends though, if you guys have a relationship and you guys have kids. But generally though, if yeah, it's tough. It's there's a lot of conundrums. There's a lot of things that but the point, what I'm trying to tell you guys, is that guys want intimacy. Don't assume that just because a guy looks tough, just because a guy looks like, oh, I want to fuck these hoes, that's all I want to do, that's what he really wants, man. I'm telling you, at the end of the day, they want to be loved. They want to have intimacy. But then again, sometimes you have the narcissist, right? Which is the exception to the rule, with the narcissists, the sociopaths, where they have no emotion. And we can't even include them in this category. You see what I'm saying? All right, ladies. The past few days I was sick, so I wasn't making videos. But I'm going to be I'm changing the seminars. I'm not going to Australia. I'm not going to Chicago. I got to change the dates, because I have school, and the school that I'm having, the classes that I'm having, it just will not give me the time. I schedule it, and I didn't schedule it correctly, the classes. But anyways, but if you want to though, you could stay. If you purchase the tickets, you could keep it, and I'll let you know when I'll be going, or I can send you guys a refund. But the point is that I'm postponing it, right? Because I just came back from London, and I was jet lagged for a few days, and I just realized that if I'm gonna be going to Australia, I'm gonna be unbelievably jet lagged to the point where it's not even worth it. See what I'm saying? So I gotta plan that out a little bit better. But I'm definitely gonna be going to the one in Toronto. I'm gonna be going to the one in I'll think about it. It's still up in the air, But again, we'll be going to those cities this year, though. Don't get me wrong. So you can still purchase it, because I'm going to be going to those cities this year. And I'm only limiting the amount of people that could go. So if you purchase it now, you can still be part of it. But if you don't purchase it now, I'll get the refund now. And then like the time comes when I say exactly when I'm going, and there's no more seats, then, next time maybe. All right? Okay, ladies, this is me. Peace out. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're going to get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you
create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week. Fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are one, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.